Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question 37. Which of the following is a prime number? Which of the following is a prime number? A 5, B 6, C 27, C 27 and D 33. So which of the following is a prime number? Now for us to pick our option, our answer, we have to understand the meaning of prime number, that is what prime numbers means. Now prime numbers in mathematics simply refers to numbers with just two factors. So prime numbers refers to what? Numbers refers to numbers with two factors. That is, these numbers have only two factors, and like we know, factor simply means what? Factors of a number simply refers to the number that will go into that number without a remainder. And now for prime numbers, prime numbers has just two factors. They have two factors, and these factors include 1 and themselves. 1 and themselves. So these factors include 1 and themselves. So in essence, what I'm trying to say is that prime numbers are numbers that has factors which are 1 and themselves. That is, this number can only be divided by 1 and themselves. Take for instance a number like 2. For an example, a number like 2. You notice that 2 can only be divided by 1, which is equal to 2, and can only be divided by itself, which is equal to 1. Now this 2 is a prime number. So prime number are numbers that can only be divided by 1 and themselves. In other words, they have just two factors. Now the question says which of the following is a prime number. A here says 5. Now let's look at 5. Now 5 can be divided by 1. Yes, all numbers can be divided by 1, like we know. 5 can be divided by 1 to give us 5. And 5 cannot be divided by 2. It can't be divided by 3. It can't be divided by 4. But can be divided by itself again, 5, to give us what? 1. So therefore 5 is a prime number, because 5 can only be divided by 1 and itself. Then see 6 here. B here says 6. 6 can be divided by 1. It can be divided by 2 to give you 3. It can be divided by 3 to give you 2, and can be divided by itself. So 6 has more than two factors. And like I said, factor of a number are those numbers that can go into the number without a remainder. So therefore, because 6 has more than two factors, that is, it can be divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6, 6 is not a prime number. C says 27. Also 27 can be divided by 1, by 3, by 7 and by 9. It can be divided by 9, 3 and 1 and itself. So therefore 27 is not a prime number. Likewise 33 can be divided by 3. It can be divided by 1, by 11 and itself. So it's not a prime number, because all these numbers have more than two factors, so they are not prime number. But look at 5 just has two factors, 1 and itself. So 5 is a prime number. 5 here is a prime number. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.